sing one more? As many as you can. Barang konti. Ha? Barang konti. Dito? Tapos tinry ko yung pag-RRT kasi sabi ko, baka mahirapan ako mag-ano kasi mag-isip ako tapos yung RRT tapos magbaba. Parang... So, today's a Wednesday and I'm in my car. Kakarating ko lang ng school at 1:18 because I have a meeting at 2:15. My Wednesday is not as it is usually kasi every Wednesday I go to the gym, I do a dance workout in the morning. Pero this morning, hindi mo na ako nag-workout because I wanted to prioritize some schoolwork. And then, so yun lang. Time at home, which is something that you always enjoy. Well, at my age, na mas na-enjoy ko na siya. Time at home, time to chill. Walang ginagawa, ganun. And then, focused on my output for a worksheet on one of my assessment classes, and that's it. I'm ready to go to the meeting in a bit. Aftermath. Madilim pa rin. Hi Liz. Madilim pa. Sarap nga eh.
Ako din nag-yoga pause.
Boys.
Alright, one more time yung may palakpakan at hiyawan. To you, happy birthday to you.
So we just got back from a birthday party ng inaanak ko at ng anak ng kaibigan nila. So yeah. Now I think we'll be checking out IKEA and let's go.
4 bro. Mga ganda. Stand slow. Go. This is my trustworthy trainer. Okay, we're at tennis in the city. Drills muna. Practice. This is a fun place to practice. I like it here. Ingay? Anong gagawin natin today? Tatumbling daw si Liz. Tatumbling siya sa badminton court. See you. We're here at Mansion Sports Box. Dito kami madalas naglalaro ng badminton. It's really nice here. Cold. Tapos may locker room. Go Liz! Go PJ! Okay. Kumusta? Kumusta yung game niyo?
Masaya. Ang galing natin.
It's been a while since naglakad-lakad kami dito sa Salcedo on a weekend. So peaceful.
Oh, but we have